Hello guys and welcome to my next vlog. Just about to take the dog out for a walk and I thought I'm going to set myself a challenge because I'm into preserving nature. I thought when I go out for a walk I'll see how much plastic that I can actually find when out walking, because you know preserving our nature is really important guys, and plastic harms our nature. So follow me on my walk and we'll just do a bit of an experiment to see how much I can find. Catch up in a bit. Okay, so here's Buddy pulling me as usual. As I said guys, preserving nature is really important. Us being humans are actually damaging our planet. I think this is really bad because in the end we will suffer. So we must look after our nature. Okay, so nothing along here, guys. This is looking good. A bit overgrown, though. It's going to get a bit noisy, guys. I say guys, this is looking quite good. Not one bit of plastic. Wow, my challenge isn't really a challenge, I've got to say. Pretty impressive. Carry on. Okay guys, so I've been really lucky in not finding any plastic. So the people of Essex pick up their plastic. So thumbs up Essex. But don't forget, if you see a piece of plastic, pick it up, or even better, if you have a piece of plastic, put it in a bin. Please people, it's so important to nature. Remember, preserve nature. Okay, thanks for watching my vlog guys. Take care, let's love a night. Bye.